CBS News yesterday had an interview with the chief of police in Minneapolis, who said that one of his off-duty officers was pulled over by ICE at gunpoint and asked to show his U.S. citizenship, prove he was a citizen. First of all, is that legal? Can you ask somebody, prove you're a citizen? And if I were asked that, what would I show to prove I'm a U.S. citizen? What kind of documentation are we talking about legally?
The question sort of shows the problem. In order for ICE to, the question that the officer asked to the citizen, prove you're a citizen, because that's not what the law. In order for ICE to, or a DHS agent to stop someone, they have to have reasonable suspicion that the person is not lawfully present. That is incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to have simply by observing someone, which is why, historically in this country, we have not seen the pattern of stops that we are seeing now. Why are we seeing this pattern of stops now? Because this is an administration that is explicitly using race and ethnicity as a basis for that suspicion. That violates the Fourth Amendment, that violates the 14th Amendment. But that practice is being encouraged by this Supreme Court, which not long ago overturned lower court orders prohibiting that practice without explanation. And so that's why I say this is an administration engaged in rampant illegal behavior.